Hi, my name is Benjamin, and thank you for looking at my project. So when you ask an LLM about a dataset, you get an answer. But it's a paragraph of prose, and you have to take it on trust. You only see the conclusion, but not actually experience the data. That's if you even get that far. For example, many datasets are simply too large to fit into the context window of an LLM. And my proof of concept does it differently. You can upload or pick a dataset and ask in plain language what you want to understand about it. And then choose the kind of modality, like which kind of data representation you want. And it explores the data, designs the representation, writes the code, and saves every intermediate file so you can inspect it later. In addition to the final poster, I also included a more technical overview as an HTML file, which has details about the graph engine and how the runs are archived and how the user or an automated quality judge can issue change requests. And the thing is, each generation can take up to 15 minutes. So let's work with an existing one. For example, here I have some that have a text report, a visualization, and a certification. And if I play the certification, you can see it's synchronized with the visualization. In this case, the higher the pitch, the better the rank. So it's different to the visualization itself. It's inverted from the visualization. This is all spelled out here. Let's open another one. This is the same, but without the sonification, with only the visualization. And here I also asked for an overview, but I got a very different one. Of course, it's non-deterministic. But here again, you can see how to read the chart, what it did, what was computed, what the caveats and limits are, and so on. And if I want to make a change, for example, I'm interested in why did Belgium support us so much? And then I can request a change for one step in the pipeline. And only, in this case, only the last two will be redone. So this takes a little time. Wait for it to finish. And just a heads up, this is not possible for all the included demo runs, as some have an older configuration format, and I'm out of credits on my Google Cloud account to run a lot of new ones, so I included the old ones. Yeah, I will cut here and then we'll come back. Here we can see it progressing through the stages, running final assembly, and it's now on the 11th step. I think the maximum for this run was configured for 20, and you can see it using the tokens and how much money it is. Here it actually went beyond 20 steps, and then it enters a kind of emergency mode where it prioritizes finishing rather than exploring. Yeah, and it finished the final assembly, so now it runs the explanation part again, which finished quickly, and now it should have, here it changed the report to include why Belgium has historically been Austria's top supporter. So yeah, there you go. It's a disposable interface that helps you with building a mental model about some data that allows you to reach your own conclusions, at the same time giving you the tools to verify that. Thanks for watching.